Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today.
Hey everyone, looking at natural gas daily, weekly, shorter term time frames. So very strong bullish break, but we did reject from a key weekly resistance we'll look at here in just a moment. Bearish reversal candlestick today with a lower high 336. Let's try that again. 336.6 and 336.2 is our high and lower high. And we did pull back earlier in the week, and it was normal healthy consolidation on decreasing volume leading to continuation to the upside. So we'll look for the same thing. We need to see decreasing bear volume if we continue to pull back on Monday, and it could be a nice bullish entry opportunity. So here's the resistance we're rejecting from. That 200-week resistance was our target once $3 broke, and we hit it very quickly. So now we're looking to pull back from that level and perhaps consolidate on the weekly time frame. I'm looking at 3098 as previous resistance, which will act as support on the way down, and then of course the $3 psychological level if we were to pull back that significantly. So the hourly time frame, the bearish signal here, look at this consolidation. We formed a low of 333, saw another lower high, and then as soon as we broke 333 on this candle, it was actually double bottom 333, held it, and then this break right here. That's your clear bearish signal, because now we have a lower high and then a lower low, and it was followed by 4 or 5 hours in a row of just straight dump. We are seeing a little bit of a bounce here, but this hourly time frame is looking like it's potentially a bear flag, which would lead to further consolidation to the downside once it is done playing out. And actually, it's not a bear flag now looking at it closer. It is a bit of a wedge. So we'll see if the bulls can break above that level, and if not, whichever direction we break from this tight pattern, we'll be looking for continuation in that direction. And in terms of resistance levels, we're just looking at the high of these hourly candlesticks. So looking at 3299, 3309, and then that double bottom that we broke, 333 even, is a key support level as well. The low that we've seen on this pullback is 3264, and if we break that level, we're looking down here at 3165. Let's look at the 4-hour chart and get a bit of a condensed version. Bearish MACD cross. Very clearly, we're still maintaining the stair-step, very nice higher low pattern that we've been forming for the past couple of weeks, and it would require a break of 3165 to break that pattern. And that would be a clear signal to back off, because we need to establish a new level of support. So we'll see if we continue to set lower highs and lower lows and pull back to start next week. Keep in mind, we have had an extremely strong run. Look at this daily chart over the past 2 weeks. So consolidation is normal and likely, and there's no reason to chase up here. We can likely get a better entry just by being patient. So the longer term trend absolutely belongs to the bulls. Let's look at the weekly chart here on this setting. And we're at the highest prices that we've seen. Back here, the highest price was 3352, so we broke that level. There's a gap to fill here at 3444. That's our next target. And then we're looking up at really just under $4, 3936. So let's fill this gap after some consolidation in the short term, and then we'll take it from there. But we are looking bullish into the winter now that we're keeping these higher lows and higher highs and getting over key psychological resistance. So thanks for watching. Thanks for all the likes and the shares. We will continue to check in on natural gas. And a red day on Monday with increasing bearish volume would be another signal to back off as a bull and wait for a new support level to be established. If it's a red day with decreasing volume, we know to start scouting for our bullish entry, and we will anticipate a higher low to form compared to that 3165 level. Hope you have a great weekend. See you soon.